guys ever gotten ready for school or work and gone outside and your tire's flat or blown out in the middle of nowhere and nothing to do? Well, today, if you listen to my video, I'll teach you how to properly change a tire in no time. First off, you're going to want to get the right tools, which is a breaker bar, the right socket for your car, a jack, and a spare tire. What you're going to want to do is jack up the car to get the wheel off the ground. Now you're going to want to set the jack underneath the car properly where the jack's supposed to go so you don't break anything else. After jacking up, you're going to want to unbolt the wheels. After unbolting, you're going to want to take the wheel off and get your spare tire. You'll want to mount the spare wheel onto the bolts. You can just tighten it by your hand to get it started. Just easier if you start them by your hand so you don't have to turn them all. After bolting up the wheels and getting the lug nuts on, you're going to want to tighten all the wheels crisscross so that the tire's on there balancing equally. After securing the tire on and tightening all the bolts, you're going to want to jack the car down. And then I just taught you how to change and replace a tire by getting the right tools needed, locating the spare wheel, putting it on and bolting it up crisscross. By now, if you do wake up one morning and your tire's flat or blow out in the middle of nowhere, you should now know how to change it properly. Thank you.